Okay, Prince, Purple Rain. Purple Rain is the reign of cannibalism. It is the same thing you see on Elton John, same thing you're starting to see all these celebrities wear. They're saying you are purple. Uh, Even the acceptance for values and all of that, signing in purple, everything, they just want you to play their game. And this purple, they say it represents royalty because those are the families that are in here that are cannibalizing. And that's a sign of cannibalism. So Prince says that he wants to see her laughing in the purple rain. See what I'm saying? And she doesn't like this whole thing. I mean, sometimes she'll cry about it. And they say, oh, now it's raining in Africa. See what I'm saying? Or another thing that I think is kind of crude that they do is that they don't know that they're doing this. This is some kind of test. And the whole time while this is happening, you can only equate it to some kind of kung fu class for a kid because everything he tries ends up a lesson on him. So let's listen to Prince right now with this Darling Nikki track and see what he says.
You could say she was a sex fiend. I met her in a hotel lobby, masturbating with a magazine. She said, how'd you like to waste some time? And I could not resist when I saw little Nikki grind.
He said when he saw her dance, he couldn't resist her. So if this is all we are, then what's so bad about it?
She took me to her castle and I just couldn't believe my eyes. She had so many devices, everything that money could buy. She said, sign your name on the dotted line. The lights went out and Nikki started to grind.
Pretty interesting. So what we were, the Bible contradicts. And
Castle started spinning, oh baby, it was my brain. I can't tell you what you did to me, but my body will never be the same.
word?
Will you kick your behind? Oh, just show you no mercy, but just shout enough, show you how to fight.
So basically she shows you how it works, the Mojo, the ways of love and shit like that. And how your whole body
The
works.
next morning, Nikki wasn't there. I looked all over, all I found was a phone number on the stairs. It said, thank you for a funky time. Call me whenever you wanna cry.
Watch how it makes him go crazy. He's just like, this shit make his ass go crazy. And then even the encounter is inspiring him to make such great music. Hold on, let me go. Let's hear it again. Come back. What? Oh my gosh. Everybody just keep on sungazing. That's it. It's real simple. And everything that you are is already inside of you. And everything that needs to happen to make it possible for you to be weaponized, everything is all a part of your body. Stanley Paul Stanley said is your trigger. She pulls the trigger to your loved gun, so your mojo is the weapon. It just brings forth the Goku and the Super Beam. So all of those supernatural abilities are directly tied to it, and it makes the Bible crap. So I would appreciate it if you guys would realize that nobody needs to talk about the Bible on this channel anymore because it's crap. You understand? This is that everything that thing says, we are not. But we can find our own righteousness within ourselves without fallen people telling us how to behave, because we have a love frequency that we ride on and that we nurture each other on, and we take care of our children and everything else. And we don't need a government to tell us how to act. We don't need anybody to tell us how to be and how to love, because we already are made to love and we already know how to do it. And I'm here to tell you that that's what it is. You know who your maker is, you know how to be loving, and you don't have any problems, and you don't have problems. So it is what it is, folks. It is what it is. And that Bible is shit. It's bullshit. It's nothing but a bunch of crap. So, yeah, everybody that keeps on quoting this and all of these scriptures and stuff in the comments, it's ridiculous. You guys are asleep. And I hope that this wakes you up and realize that it's the reason why a lot of people are repressed in America. There's a lot of dysfunctions in America. There's a lot of people who are blocked in a way, and they don't understand what more there is because they won't ever venture these directions and these paths. But it is what it is, and it'll always be that. But this channel will lead you in the right direction. So continue to watch Grim Nasty TV and sungaze your face off, because you'll get awake. And when you get awake, stay awake.